Hey guys, Dylan here from Fleur Design. Today I've got our brand new fire extinguisher mount for the Honda Civic Type R FL5. I'll show you how to install it today. Our extinguisher mount is a two-piece design and it comes with all the fasteners you need. However, it does not come with a fire extinguisher. That you have to buy separately, but any 1 kilo bottle and its respective mount should fit onto our bracket. So the tools you'll need for this install are a Torx 50-bit, 3 and 4mm bits, as well as an 8mm wrench. Optionally, you can use a torque wrench as well when you tighten up the seat bolts at the end. Before we go inside the car, first we're going to install the bracket that came with the extinguisher to the top plate. So here's the bracket we've got today. This came with our extinguisher. It will be different depending on which extinguisher you buy. So for this one, we'll be using our provided fasteners. These washers don't fit on this design, so we won't be using those. But firstly, you grab the top plate and you want to decide which way you want this to be mounted, as this one isn't symmetrical. So once you've chosen, grab these and install to this. Once that's done, we'll go into the car here. We can grab a Torx 50-bit to undo these two front bolts, and this will be where our bracket mounts to. I'm not thinking about you. So now we can grab our bottom piece here and we can place it in position. This uses the same bolts and the same holes as the seat bolts. We're just tying them up now. So now we can tighten these two bolts. The torque spec for these, if you're using a torque wrench, is 32 foot-pounds. So now, once that's installed, we can grab our top piece with our bracket. This uses the provided M6 bolts. So these holes are used to adjust how far out the extinguisher comes. It's up to you, it's all personal preference. You can just adjust it whenever you'd like as well. Now that's all done, all that's left is putting the extinguisher in. There you go guys, that's how you install our fire extinguisher bracket into the FL5. Keep in mind, this bottle can be left in the car and the seat will adjust in and out all the way. You can also remove it with those two bolts really easily and have no bottle there, which also doesn't block the seat at all either.